Bitcoin slips below $29,000, Ether trades above $1,800. Binance Japan begins onboarding users. Nomura's crypto arm gains operating license approval in Dubai. Meta to launch AI chatbots with personalities to retain users. Ralph Lauren launches physical shoe inspired by Fortnite, exploring Metaverse as commerce channel. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets continue to feel pressure from regulatory action against crypto protocols aimed at protecting investors. Bitcoin dropped below $29,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.7% at 38,430 points. In uninteresting news, Nomura, a crypto arm of a Japanese investment bank, recently obtained a license in Dubai from Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority to offer crypto-related brokerage services as well as management and investment services, reports highlighted. On the contrary, Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges, is all set to launch its Japan branch in the month of August, with listing 34 tokens as well as listing of the Binance coin BNB. Binance Japan will offer varied services including staking, margin trading as well as spot trading. Ripple community has unlocked XRP tokens from its escrow wallets as part of its monthly escrow program. The activity involved 400 million XRP tokens, which were worth around $275 million, analysts said. Meanwhile, according to data from the block, Coinbase Future Exchange recorded a total volume of $2 billion in the month of July. Going forward, the security breach experienced by the Curve token linked to the Curve Finance cryptocurrency exchange recently became a victim of an exploit in its programming language that diverted around $70 million from users. Following this incident, price of the cryptocurrency plummeted by nearly 20%. Michael Egorov, the founder of Curve Finance, currently holds a $168 million loan position in Aave, guaranteed by CRV. The reports further mentioned the founder's intention to liquidate his position. If the position gets liquidated, it could lead to fall in prices and further trigger a series of cascading liquidations. In other news, the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX is in plans to restart its cryptocurrency trading services for international customers. Following this news, FTT token price increased by about 10% over the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, analysts have attributed range-bound trade as an outcome of the dog days of summer and in turn seeing relatively low volumes for Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, the larger size buyers seem to be accumulating Bitcoin as the price recently dropped. US stock futures dropped as investors awaited various corporate earnings reports. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dipped by 0.3%, futures tied to the S&P 500, and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,905, down 1.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,832. Talking about Solana Sol, it was down 4.3% and was trading at $23.4. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was down by 2.6% to trade at $0.30. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.7, lower by 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.8% to trade at $0.68. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.076. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.1% and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.69, down by 2%. Polkadot was also down by 1.7% to trade at $5.1. However, BNB was up by 0.4% to trade at $244.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Binance Japan, a subsidiary of Binance, will begin onboarding users in Japan on its newly launched platform. The exchange was warned by regulators that it was operating in the country without permission 2 years earlier. Existing customers in Japan can migrate to the local subsidiary from August 14th. Users can access spot trading, earn products, and a non-fungible token marketplace. They will be able to trade 34 tokens, including the Binance Smart Chain's native token BNB, which is available in Japan for the first time. Binance acquired regulated crypto exchange Secura Exchange Bitcoin in November last year. Laser Digital, the digital asset subsidiary of financial services giant Nomura, has received an operating license from Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, the final stage of the licensing process, the company said in a statement on Tuesday. Laser Digital Middle East, which is based in the Emirate, can now offer virtual asset broker-dealer services and VA management and investment services, having completed all 4 stages of the process, it said. Dubai introduced a licensing program earlier this year, and companies including Crypto.com and OKX are in the process of reaching full approval. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, won a license to operate in Dubai in July. The unit plans to start its trading and asset management business in the coming months, offering over-the-counter trading services and a range of digital asset investment products, the company said. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, plans to release artificial intelligence chatbots with human-like personalities as it focuses on user retention efforts. The prototype of the chatbot has been underway, with the final product being able to hold discussions with users at a human level. The range of chatbots will be able to display different personalities and are expected to be released as early as next month. The purpose of the chatbots will be to offer recommendations and new search functionalities, along with being a fun product for people to play with. On August 3rd, Ralph Lauren is launching the Polo P-Wing boot, a physical shoe modeled after a digital Ralph Lauren garment sold inside Fortnite last year. The release demonstrates how brands are increasingly experimenting with the Metaverse as a product testing and commerce channel, but also how they are still determining how to connect the virtual and the physical in meaningful ways. Ralph Lauren has been in Fortnite since last year, when the company launched a collection of in-game outfits and items inside the popular game. At the time, the total price of all Ralph Lauren in-game cosmetics was about $20. This time around, the physical Polo P-Wing boot will sell for $250, and the company is manufacturing only 200 of them, according to Ralph Lauren Chief Innovation Officer David Lauren. To support the boot sale, Ralph Lauren is also opening a custom-branded Fortnite experience named Race to Greatness by Polo Ralph Lauren. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing stocks of the day.
As the Bitcoin protocol-based Litecoin prepares for its highly anticipated halving event this Wednesday, an unusual trend among major players in the cryptocurrency market has emerged. Known as whales and sharks, dealers with Litecoin holdings ranging from $9,500 to $950,000 are actively growing their interests in the cryptocurrency. This behavior shows that the imminent halving is viewed positively by these significant dealers. Litecoin was trading near $91 in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion. Litecoin experienced a 5% surge in the lead-up to the halving event, but this momentum was quickly retracted, negating the day's growth. Despite short-term volatility, the general trend for LTC remains bullish, primarily due to the impending halving event. Moving on, bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX's native token FTT has upticked 10% as FTX starts working on restarting services for customers outside the United States. FTT is trading at $1.45, up near 7% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $474 million. The bankruptcy administrators filed a plan for a restart, dividing claimants into 3 groups: .com customers, international customers, and third-party customers. These customers must agree to reboot the FTX exchange and pool their assets to create an offshore company. The outcome remains uncertain, but this development is significant in the FTX saga. Furthermore, FTX and Genesis Global have agreed to resolve their dispute with Sam Bankman-Fried. A judge issued a gag order on Bankman-Fried, and the US Department of Justice doubled its efforts to incarcerate him. FTX has sued Bankman-Fried and his executives for allegedly misappropriating $1 billion in funds. Next on the list, we have Curve Token, decentralized exchange for stablecoins native token CRV, continues to lose ground as the looming threat of potential large liquidation of the founder's borrowed position has traders piling into short positions. CRV is trading at $0.55, down 15% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $492 million. Early Tuesday, the cryptocurrency fell to around 5 cents, reaching the lowest since November 2022, according to CoinDesk data. Prices are down roughly 30% since Curve fell victim to retrency attack late Sunday. The notional open interest in perpetual futures tied to CRV has doubled to $106 million alongside deeply negative funding rates, according to data source Velo. This is generally a sign of traders shorting or betting on a price decline. Moving on, layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Arbitrum has been on a tear since June 15, 2023, and the token is still up 5.11% over the previous months. Binance Labs has announced a $10 million investment in Radiant Capital. Radiant Capital is the third most popular DeFi protocol on Arbitrum, and its expansion promises a more diverse ecology for Arbitrum. This good news, however, was not enough to keep Arbitrum investors awake following a long bull run. ARB was trading at $1.15, down with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Analysts have attributed this downward price movement to the declining strength of Arbitrum bulls. Last on the list, we have fourth largest cryptocurrency XRP market cap. First rallied to upward position as the token's trading volume surged in the few weeks that followed Judge Anelicia Torres's ruling, which declared that Ripple's sale of XRP tokens in 2020 did not qualify as the sale of an unregistered security. XRP is trading at $0.68 with a market capitalization of $36 billion. Following the ruling, investors shifted their attention to altcoins, causing their volume's dominance to jump to a 4-month high, research firm Kaiko noted in a recent report.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.